Media.io. Video Background Remover, the Media.io. Video Background Remover is a revolutionary online platform that allows users to easily remove the background from their videos with the power of AI. Whether you're a beginner or a professional video editor, this tool will make your content eye-catching and engaging. One of the standout features of the VidBG Remover is its ability to automatically remove the background from videos without the need for green screens. This means you can easily isolate human portraits from the background and replace it with something new and exciting. No more tedious tasks like selecting objects, picking colors, or drawing masks. The AI technology takes care of it all for you. The VidBG Remover is designed for everyone, from influencers looking to create innovative and memorable videos to educators who want to enhance their presentations and informational webinars. It's also perfect for e-commerce businesses looking to create videos with different backgrounds to attract customers. Even video amateurs can benefit from this tool, as it allows them to easily change backgrounds and give their videos a professional and refined look. Using the Media.io VidBG Remover is incredibly simple. All you need to do is import your video clip into the platform and it will automatically start removing the background. Once the process is complete, you can preview the result and download the video for free. It's a hassle-free and efficient way to transform your videos. One of the biggest advantages of using the Media.io VidBG Remover is its AI-powered background removal. The AI tool can detect, recognize, and isolate people from the video background, resulting in stunning and accurate results. You can create professional quality videos without the need for expensive green screens. The VidBG Remover is also incredibly versatile, as it works on any device and supports multiple formats such as MP4 and MOV. It's a convenient tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of their technical abilities. Users who have tried the Media.io VidBG Remover have praised its simplicity and powerful features. They appreciate how easy it is to use, even without any prior video editing experience. It's a tool that allows them to unleash their creativity and create unique and captivating videos. In conclusion, the Media.io VidBG Remover is a game-changing tool for anyone looking to remove backgrounds from their videos. Its AI-powered technology, user-friendly interface, and versatility make it a must-have for influencers, educators, e-commerce businesses, and video amateurs. Give it a try and discover the endless possibilities it offers for enhancing your video content.